Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore or recover your account on the MetaMask wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet app on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the Get Started button. And in order to recover or restore your account, you will need to use the import option. Tap on the import using secret recovery phrase button. And now tap on I agree. You will need to agree with the terms of service by tapping on the checkbox and scrolling to the end of this article. Then tap on the accept button, and now you will be allowed to use your secret recovery phrase in order to recover or restore your account. This is provided to you while creating your account and signing up in the first place, and you are specifically asked to save this for future use for this exact purpose. If you have saved a QR code, you can also tap on the QR code icon. Otherwise, just type in your secret recovery phrase separated by a single space. This is usually a 12-word phrase. After typing it in, make sure that all of the words are correct, and then you can type in your account password. Type in the new password that you would like to set for this account, and then type it in once again for confirmation within the confirm password box. Finally, tap on the import button, and when you tap on it, this will import your existing wallet and recover and log you in right away. Tap on the done button, and you will now be able to access your old wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to recover or restore your account on the MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.